So before we give away the prize, I would like to invite the venue sponsor representative, Miss Jess. Where are you, Miss Jess? Yeah. So Miss Jess is actually representing the venue sponsor, Plaza Tasik. No, you stand there. Alright. So I will announce the result from the bottom to the top. Okay. The 12th place goes to Nicholas Ho from Singapore. Alright, and the 11th place goes to Eden Lau Li Cheng. Alright, thank you, Eden. 10th place goes to Alicia Azmi with an average time of 17.86 seconds. And 9th place goes to Tan Yi Kai from Singapore with a time of 17.85 seconds. Next, 8th place goes to Longman Zhong Zihao with a time of 17.47 seconds. And for the 7th place goes to Chan YQ with a time of 16.93 seconds. Alright, 6th place goes to Daniel Yo Xiang Leng. Alright, 5th place, David Tan with a time of 15.51 seconds. And the 4th place goes to Jonathan Tan Wei Xian with a time of 15.47 seconds. So right now we left with 3%. Alright, so second runner-up for Rubik's Cube in Johor Rubik's Cube Open 2010 with a time of 14.19 seconds goes to Howard Wong. Alright, right now we left with 2%. Alright, the 2% are Iman Shahadi and Teo Kai Xiang. Testing. Can we have two of them to step forward? Iman and Kai Xiang. Alright, the champion for Rubik's Cube event in Johor Rubik's Cube Open 2010. The champion goes to Teo Kai Xiang with an average of 13.08 seconds. And lastly, Iman Shahadi from Malaysia won first runner-up in the Rubik's Cube event. Alright, all the participants, take a group photo. top three, maybe you want to take photo together. Okay, thank you guys.